Interrupted with the libvorbisfile-3.dll blocking xif.org workflow? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To begin the walkthrough for libvorbisfile3, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the libvorbisfile3, the Ogg Vorbis File Library. It provides unmanaged localized routines for high-level decoding of Ogg Vorbis audio streams. It facilitates the data link between compressed audio bitstreams and localized PCM output. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Errors related to libvorbisfile3.dll often mean the internal xif.org configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the libvorbisfile3 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Don't risk your computer's health by downloading libvorbisfile3.dll from random internet sources, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts and ransomware. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for libvorbisfile3. If this fix repaired libvorbisfile3 dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.